how this song is written. When people were about to do the offerings in the church, and one person, he was about to give offering, but he don't have anything. He's not acting that he would take something from his pocket and put in the offering box. He's not doing like that. He stood firmly and he prayed, Lord, I don't have any money to give offering. He was not ashamed. He stood at the back and he was praying to the Lord, Lord, I don't have any offering. He took his pocket and nothing is there. And he said that, Lord, I don't have anything. And God spoke to him very clearly that, you say that you don't have anything, you don't have money to give me, but you yourselves are there, is there, and you need to dedicate yourself to my service. అందుకే ఏమంటాడంటే నా కాళ్ళు చేతులల్లా నీ సేవకు అర్పించును. So my feet and my hands are yours. I will give all my body, all my life to you. అందుకే మనము we need to dedicate ourselves to the Lord.